Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly enable and use Wi-Fi connectivity assist on your iPhone and iPad. Staying connected is more important than ever before. Whether you are browsing the web, streaming videos, making FaceTime calls, or using online apps. However, unstable Wi-Fi or weak cellular signals can sometimes interrupt your whole experience. But fret not. That's where the connectivity assist on iPhone and iPad comes into play. This intelligent feature is designed to help maintain a more reliable internet connection by automatically managing your network when connectivity becomes poor. That said, let me show you how to enable and use this pretty handy feature. So first you have to launch the settings app on your iPhone. After that you have to choose the Wi-Fi option. Then you have to scroll down a bit and enable the toggle located right next to Connectivity Assist, and you are all set. Connectivity Assist is a thoughtful addition that helps your device stay connected without requiring constant manual intervention. Instead of leaving you to troubleshoot slow or unreliable internet connections, it intelligently monitors your network and takes the appropriate actions to keep your online activities running as smoothly as possible. This can be especially useful when you are on the move, switching between Wi-Fi networks or in areas where network quality fluctuates. Although the connectivity assist works automatically in the background, enabling the feature gives your device an extra layer of intelligence when handling connectivity issues. It can reduce interruptions during video calls, improve app responsiveness, minimize buffering while streaming, and help ensure downloads and uploads continue with fewer disruptions. Since the feature is integrated into the operating system, it also works seamlessly with supported apps and services without requiring any additional setup. Now that you've unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it in order to enhance your whole iOS experience, and I'll catch you up in the next one.